Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install react.js on a Windows operating system, and then I will also show you how to create a simple React project and how to run them on our Windows operating system. So let's dive into our video. Now to install react.js and to run React projects, you will need basically two software. One is Node.js and another is Visual Studio Code. So for Node.js, I have already made a detailed video. I'll just simply give you a quick overview that you need to first simply search with Node.js download, and here you'll be getting this nodejs.org. Just simply click on download Node.js, and here you have options to download Node.js LTS version, or you can also download the current version. So for that, just simply switch to current version and you can download the installer from here. Okay, and next thing that you will need is Visual Studio Code. So just simply type Visual Studio Code download, and you will be getting this code.visualstudio.com. Just simply open that link, and from here you can download Windows as per your operating system. See, it is available for Windows, Debian, Mac and all other operating system as well. Okay, so from here you need to just simply click on this download button to download it for Windows, right? So after downloading Visual Studio and Node.js, you need to install these two software. So I have already Visual Studio installed on my system. I'll just quickly install Node.js. So just simply click on next, accept the license agreement, simply click on next. This is where Node.js is going to be installed. Just simply click on next. Again, you can simply click on next, again next, and see, ready to be installed. Just simply click on install. It will ask you for administrative privileges. Just simply click on yes, and there you go, our installation has rightly begun. So let's minimize our download directory. So you need to install Node.js along with Visual Studio Code, as I have rightly mentioned. So Visual Studio Code is basically an text editor. So you can use other text editor as well, like Sublime Text or brackets. That's totally your wish. I'll be using Visual Studio Code. The main thing is Visual Studio Code gives you several plugins, so that really helps for React programming. Okay, so you can see our Node.js is rightly installed. Just simply click on finish, right? And now I'll be opening my command prompt, cmd, and here if I type node space -- version and hit enter, you can see that Node.js is rightly installed, right? So in this way you can easily install Node.js. Now it's time to install React. So for that I'll first simply going to create a folder, naming it as a react-practice, right? So I'll just simply go inside that folder. I'll be typing command prompt in my address bar to open our command prompt right in this directory, React practice, and now I'll be installing React. So for that you need to type npx space create, right? And then there will be no space, just you need to give dash, then react, again dash app. Okay, so this is the command, create react app. Okay, and then you need to type your project name. So I am giving the project name as my first React project. Okay, you can give any name and then just hit enter, and there you go, I have rightly started creating our React app project. Okay, so before that it is telling that the React app version 5.2.1 is there going to be installed. Are you okay with it? Just simply type y and hit enter, and they have rightly started. Okay, one thing to note is, like, the project name, you should be always giving it in small letter. Do not give any capital letter, otherwise it might create some problem. So this installing React will take some time, a couple of minutes maybe. So what I'll be doing is I'll be coming back right after completion of this process. Yeah, so welcome back. And now you can clearly see that our React is rightly installed, and our React project, my first React project, is also created over here. So just one thing I forget to mention, that is you will need an active internet connection right throughout this installation. So what they're going to do is if you go inside this project, you can see that it had several node modules, then public, then src. So they have already created a sample project. So to fetch all these things, you'll need internet connection. Okay, so you'll need internet connection to do all these things, right? So now that you know that our project is ready to install, let's start our app. So if you simply type npm then start and hit enter, so what they're going to do is they're going to start compiling. Okay, sorry, I forgot to go inside this folder. So that's also important thing, right? So see what happened is, so we have created this folder react practice, right? So we are currently inside that react practice folder. So for what we need to do is we need to first go inside that folder, my first react project, right? So for that just simply type cd then my dash first react project, right? So you need to first go inside this directory, my first react project, okay? And then only we can type this npm start. Okay, now just simply hit enter. So what they're going to do is they're going to compile all our our projects. So if it asks something like this, so just simply give allow access, no need to block anything, right? So what they're going to do is they're going to compile all react codes that you have written. So they're going to compile everything and then they're going to start a local server. On that server itself we'll be running our app. Okay, so currently it is starting the development server, and see it has automatically redirect to our browser, and see localhost, in our localhost 3000 our react app has already launched. Okay, so let's go inside our code structure. So I'll be first I'm going to close this server. I'll go inside this my project. I'll just simply type cmd over here, and see our command prompt directly open in this directory. So now I'll be opening this folder in Visual Studio. So for that I'll just simply type code dot and hit enter, and what it will do is it will going to open our Visual Studio code right at this directory. Okay, and as you can see it has directly opened in this folder. So just simply click on yes. Okay, and see my first React project directly opened over here. So if I go to this package.json file, you can see that our React is rightly installed. So version 18.2.0, right? So let's go to our src folder, so where our main code set are actually there. So here if you go to this app.js, you can see that here inside p tag we have written some code, right? So this edit src app.js and save to reload, if you go to browser you can see the same thing is coming here, right? So what I'll be doing is I'll be removing all this till a tag, and I'll be just simply type p inside a p tag. I'll be just simply typing greetings from Geeky script. I'll just simply save it. I'll open my command prompt over here. So go to terminal, then new terminal, and here just simply type npm start, then hit enter. It will again going to compile and basically build our project and going to start a local server and going to launch over here. See, hello all, greetings from Geeky script is rightly shown. So in this way you can easily install latest version of React on a Windows operating system. So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.